Unit 2, Lesson 10, Track 13. Bob and Basim, the eggs.
Hello, we said. There were 4 other boys in our tent. Paul, from France, Chuck, from America, Hans, from Germany, and Aziz, from Algeria. I told them about my suitcase. They were all very kind and gave me everything that I needed. On our first morning in the camp, we woke up early. I put on French trousers, an Iraqi shirt, and an Algerian sweater. The trousers were too big and the sweater was too small.
Never mind,
said Basim, laughing.
Your suitcase will be here soon.
I hope so, I said. We had to cook breakfast for the whole camp. Hans and Aziz had to make the fire and Paul had to make the tea. Chuck had to do the washing up.
Basim and Bob, you're the cooks,
said Rod Border.
Scrambled eggs for 50, please. What are scrambled eggs?
asked Basim.
Read this. Page 23,
said Rod. He gave Basim a book. Camp Cooking.
Don't burn them,
said Rod, and went away.
Leave it to me,
said Basim. I put butter into a pan. Basim broke 75 eggs into the pan, and then I added milk, salt and pepper. Basim began to cook the scrambled eggs, slowly. He didn't burn them. They were delicious. Perfect. All the other boys were sitting in the dining tent, waiting for breakfast.
Give me the pan,
said Hans.
I'll carry it over to the table.
No, I said. I'll do it. I was proud of Basim's eggs. I picked up the pan and started walking. Then it happened.
Bob, look out!
shouted Basim.
A wallaby!
A wallaby? I asked. I did not hear the answer. A small wallaby raced through our kitchen. It hopped over the fire and knocked over the tea. Then it knocked me over. Basim's perfect eggs flew into the air. The pan landed on a table. The eggs landed on the boys. I landed in a bush.
I didn't know eggs could fly,
said one boy. Delicious, said another, wiping some scrambled egg from his face.
You missed the plates,
said a third boy. Everybody laughed. They weren't angry.
Are you all right?
asked Basim. Yes, thanks, I said from my bush. But why me? Why do these things always happen to me?